Hi students, so welcome to the next session. Previous session we finished up to 25 questions. We'll continue next one 26. The number of roots of the equation sin inverse x minus 1 by sin inverse x equal to cos inverse x minus 1 by cos inverse x. Now this equation is given. For this equation we need to find the number of roots of the given equation. Now first I will take cos inverse x this side, take minus 1 by sin inverse x right side, sin inverse x minus cos inverse x equal to, this will becomes plus 1 by sin inverse x minus 1 by cos inverse x. Now here sin inverse x minus cos inverse x equal to, take LCM, what will get? Cos inverse x minus sin inverse x by sin inverse x into cos inverse x. Now sin inverse x minus cos inverse x, if we take minus common from this, what will get here? Sin inverse x minus cos inverse x divided by sin inverse x into cos inverse x. Take this complete value, don't cancel because this is also one of the solution. Take left side. Now by taking left side, what will get here? Sin inverse x minus cos inverse x will be the common. Here this will becomes 1 plus, here also become plus only, that's 1 by sin inverse x into cos inverse x is equal to 0. When the product of two values 0 means either first value 0 or second value 0. That's why here sin inverse x minus cos inverse x equal to 0. Second value. Now we are taking LCM, what will get? 1 plus sin inverse x into cos inverse x by sin inverse x into cos inverse x is equal to 0. From this, take cos inverse x right side, sin inverse x equal to cos inverse x. Now sin inverse x equal to cos inverse x, we can write pi by 2 minus sin inverse x as per property. Now take this minus value this side, it will becomes 2 sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. Divide to that side, sin inverse x equal to pi by 4. From this, x value is sin pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2. This is one solution. Coming to next equation, this will be cross multiplying, it has become 0 only. 1 plus sin inverse x into cos inverse x equal to 0. Now take the one right side, sin inverse x into cos inverse x is equal to minus 1. Now here sin inverse x into cos inverse x, we can write pi by 2 minus sin inverse x is equal to minus 1. Now multiply with sin inverse x, what will you get? Pi by 2 sin inverse x minus sin inverse x whole square is equal to minus 1. Now for easy purpose, let's consider sin inverse x is some y. Okay, now what will get here? Pi by 2y minus y square equal to minus 1. Now take all these values right side. What will you get? Y square is minus pi by 2y minus 1 equal to 0. It's clearly quadratic equation. Find the roots of this equation. Directly factorization is not possible. That's why y minus b. Minus b means here minus pi by 2, that is plus pi by 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4, that is pi by 2 whole square is pi square by 4 minus 4 ac. 4 into a is 1, c is minus 1, that is total plus 4 by 2 into a is 1, that is 2 will get. Now here y equal to pi by 2 plus or minus root of, take LCM, what will get here? Pi square plus 16 by 4 whole divided by 2. But y means what actually? Sin inverse. Now sin inverse, if we replace here, sin inverse equal to pi by 2 plus or minus root of pi square plus 16 by 2 whole divided by 2. But the sin inverse range is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 only. If we take plus means it will go exceeding pi by 2. That's why we need to take only minus here, because range of sin inverse clearly closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is not exceeding pi by 2. That's why don't take pi by 2 plus condition. That's why take only pi by 2 minus. That's why from this we can consider sin inverse x equal to, I am taking only negative. Reason pi by 2 plus not in the range. That's why I am taking only minus. Pi square plus 16 by, if you divide with 2, what will get here? Pi by 4 by 4 will get. Now this is a simplified value. From this also we can get x is sin of pi by 4 minus root of pi square plus 16 by 4. This is also one of the real root only. That's why although we got one root, that is 1 by root 2, this is another root 2. The number of roots, clearly how many? 2 roots. So which option is correct? Option C is the correct one. Next one, question number 27. Mod of sin inverse x. So mod of cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sum of these values is pi by 2 is given condition wise. Now here cos inverse x always give a positive angle only. That's why we know that cos inverse x is always greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to R, or x belongs to its domain. As for domain, what? Minus 1 to plus 1, because it gives always a positive angle, because 0 to pi is a range for cos inverse x. That's why we can remove modulus for cos inverse x. From this what you will get? Mod of sin inverse x plus, here because of it is a greater than 0 means positive, modulus is not required. That's why I am removing modulus. You will get only cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Now take this cos inverse right side. The mod of sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. As per property, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Now pi by 2 minus cos inverse x is called what? Sin inverse x. When mod x is equal to x is possible, x is compulsory greater than or equal to 0. Either 0 or compulsory positive means then mod x is gives x. When mod x becomes minus x, when x is a negative. That's why when mod of sin inverse x equal to mod only sin inverse x means clearly this is sin inverse x greater than or equal to 0. That's why we are taking the condition like this. Sin inverse x is greater than or equal to 0 means now the minimum value of this is 0, maximum is what? Pi by 2. That's why clearly we can take sin inverse x from 0 to pi by 2. From here we need to find x value. They are asking x belongs to only. So minimum is 0, maximum already we know pi by 2. That's why take sin inverse this side, it will become sin 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2. Sin pi by 2. Sin 0 is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to sin pi by 2 is 1. That's why this we can express in the form of interval x is belongs to 0 comma 1. That is clearly which option? Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 28. The minimum value of the function f of x equal to 8 power sin inverse x plus 8 power cos inverse x. The minimum value we need to find out. Now I am using the concept. We have concept when A and B are in or belongs to AP and GP, whatever, two numbers. We have condition arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometrical mean. Here this is A and this is B. What is arithmetic mean formula? A plus B by 2 greater than or equal to geometrical mean formula is root of AB. Here A is 8 power sin inverse x, B is 8 power cos inverse x. So 8 power sin inverse x plus 8 power cos inverse x. Take 2 at that side. 2 into root of 8 power sin inverse x into 8 power cos inverse x. This is f of x. 2 into root of, here base are same, add powers. 8 power sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is greater than or equal to 2 into root of. Now sin inverse x plus cos inverse x value what? Clearly pi by 2. Now here 8 I can write 2 cube whole power pi by 2 is greater than or equal to 2 power. What you will get here? A power m whole power, that is 2 power 3 pi by 2 is greater than or equal to, this is 2 power 1. Root means how will write this one? Root means power 1 by 2 only. As for that I am taking here value 2 power 3 pi by 2 whole power 1 by 2. Again which formula? A power m whole power n, that is 2 power 3 pi by 4. Again here base are same, you can add powers. That's why f of x greater than or equal to 2 power 1 plus 3 pi by 4 is the least value or minimum value of the given f of x function, that is option C is the correct one. So next, question number 29. The value of cos inverse of root of 2 by 3 minus cos inverse of root 6 plus 1 by 2 root 3. Now this one directly applying cos inverse x minus cos inverse y is very difficult to simplify this. That's why we are applying, try to convert these values into tan inverse. Okay, for first value take as a triangle, Pythagoras theorem wise. Cos inverse means here what actually adjacent, that is root 2, hypotenuse is root 3. How to find opposite? Root of hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. Root of root 3 whole square is 3 minus root 2 whole square is 2. 3 minus 2 clearly we will get 1. Alright, coming to here, we need to simplify this. I am taking this is like ABC. Here adjacent what? Root of 6 plus 1, root 6 plus 1, hypotenuse is 2 root 3. We need to find AB. How to find AB? Root of hypotenuse square, that is 2 root 3 whole square minus root of root 6 plus 1 whole square. Simplify this. Now 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12 minus 6 plus 1 plus 2 root 6. Now 6 plus 1 how much? 7. 12 minus 7 clearly 5. 5 minus 2 root 6. Now this one you can write a simplified value. This we can write root 3 whole square plus root 2 whole square. 5 I am writing like this. Root 3 whole square is 3, root 2 whole square is 2, 3 plus 2 5 only clearly, minus 2 root 6 I am writing root 3 into root 2. I am writing into perfect squares. Now a square plus b square minus 2ab, clearly it will be satisfied. That's why it is a minus b whole square, that is root 3 minus root 2 whole square. Now square root will be cancelled. Now we got opposite value is clearly root 3 minus root 2. This AB value is root 3 minus root 2. Now we can convert this cos inverse in terms of tan inverse. Later we will apply which formula? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Now I am writing first value by using first triangle in terms of tan inverse. How to write for tan inverse? Opposite by adjacent. That is tan inverse of 1 by root 2 minus tan inverse of, for this triangle, what? Opposite by adjacent. That is root 3 minus root 2 by root 6 plus 1. Now clearly which formula? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, what formula? Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Now tan inverse of, what is the LCM? Root 2 into root 6 plus 1. Root 6 plus 1 will multiply here, minus root 2 multiply here, root 2 into root 3, that is root 6 clearly, minus into minus plus, root 2 into root 2 clearly plus 2 by, for numerator denominator LCM is same. Now here root 2 into root 6 plus 1 will multiply here, root 2 into root 6 plus 1 plus 1 into root 3, that is root 3 minus root 2. Root 6 gets cancelled. Now tan inverse of 1 plus 2 clearly 3. Now multiply here root 2 into root 6. Root 12. Root 12 means 2 root 3. 2 root 3 plus root 2 plus root 3 minus root 2. Now root 2 gets cancelled. Now tan inverse of what value? 3 by 2 root 3 plus root, that is 3 root 3. Again 3 gets cancelled. Tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Tan is 1 by root 3 at which angle? Clearly pi by 6 radian. That is pi by 6 is the value of this. That is option D is the correct one. Next question number 30. We need to find the value of tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y. It's clearly PE question. Directly we will get answer by using tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x into y. Now tan inverse of, what is LCM for numerator and denominator? Y into x plus y is the LCM. Multiply x into x plus y, that is x square plus xy. Y multiply here minus xy, minus of minus plus, y into y is y square by, here y into y, x plus y is LCM, cross multiply plus x multiply inside, what will get? X square minus xy. Here xy gets cancelled. Tan inverse of numerator what? X square plus y square. Here multiply y into x, that is xy, plus y square plus x square minus xy. Now xy gets cancelled. Again x square plus y square by x square plus y square, that also cancel. What will you get? Tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 means what is the angle? Clearly pi by 4. At tan is 1 at which angle? Pi by 4 clearly. Which option is correct? Option C is the correct one. Next. Question number 31. Two angles of triangle is given already. I am assuming first angle is A, cot inverse 2. Second angle is cot inverse 3. Then the third angle we need to find out. Now A equal to, I am converting this in terms of tan inverse. Cot inverse x is tan inverse of 1 by x. This also change in terms of tan, that is tan inverse of 1 by 3. Now from this, tan A equal to 1 by 2, tan B equal to 1 by 3. We know that in a triangle, what is the condition? Sum of angles is equal to pi. We need to find C. That's why I am taking A plus B is equal to pi minus C. Apply tan on both sides. tan of a plus b equal to tan of pi minus c. Tan of a plus b formula what? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan 180 minus theta is clearly minus tan theta, because second quadrant function not changes. Tan a value 1 by 2, tan b value 1 by 3 by 1 minus tan a into tan b, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 clearly 1 by 6 equal to minus tan c. LCM is 6 only for numerator, 3 plus 2 5 by 6 by, here what will get? 6 minus 1, that is 5 equal to minus tan c. Now this both will be gets cancelled. Now what here? Minus tan c equal to 1, tan c equal to minus 1. Now here tan is negative in which quadrant? Clearly second quadrant. That's why tan c equal to, there is minus tan pi by 4. But should not compare this one directly. That's why minus tan pi by 4 I can write tan of second quadrant means I will write pi minus pi by 4. Again if you simplify you will get same value. Tan 180 minus theta minus tan theta. So by comparing this, c is equal to, LCM take 4 pi minus pi, that is 3 pi by 4 is the third angle value. Now which option is correct? Option B is the correct one. Question number 32. The given sine inverse of x into root of 1 minus x minus root x into root of 1 minus x square. This value we need to find out. Now to find this value, see once. Sine inverse of x into root of 1 minus x, I can write 1 minus root x whole square minus root x into root of 1 minus x square. Clearly this is in the form of sine inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square minus y into root of 1 minus x square. Now this is the formula for sine inverse x minus sine inverse y. Already we given formulas. In the place of x, x only there, but in the place of y, what is there? Root x. That's why, what is the answer for this? Sine inverse x minus sine inverse y. Y means what here? Root x. This is the value of this given equation. That's why option B is the correct one. Next, question number 33. Now question number 33. The solution set of the equation sin inverse x equal to 2 tan inverse x. For this we need to find solutions. That means x value we need to find out. Sin inverse x equal to, we have formula 2 tan inverse x in terms of sin inverse. What is the formula? Sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. By comparing this, what will get? X is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Don't cancel x, because that is also one of the solution. Cross multiply, what will get? X plus x cube equal to 2x. Now take 2x this side, what will get? X cube minus x equal to 0. Reason x minus 2x is minus x. Take x common, what will get? X square minus 1 equal to 0. Either x value 0 or x square minus 1 is 0. X square equal to 1, x equal to plus or minus 1. Now total x values are minus 1, 0, 1. In which option these three values are there? That is correct one. See, in option C is the correct one. Next, question number 34. Here they given theta equal to tan inverse of 2 tan square theta minus tan inverse of 1 by 3 tan theta. Then we need to find tan theta again. Okay, this is clearly in which form? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. Apply tan inverse of x means what? 2 tan square theta minus y, that is 1 by 3 tan theta by 1 plus x into y. 2 tan square into 1 by 3 tan is what? 2 by 3 tan cube theta. Left side theta is there. Now take this tan inverse this side, it will becomes tan theta. Tan theta equal to, here what is LCM? 3. Here also 3 LCM. So 6 tan square theta minus tan theta. I am not writing LCM again. 3 plus 2 tan cube theta. Okay. Now here tan theta 0 is given in options, not given. That's why 1 tan theta we can cancel out, no problem. Tan theta is equal to, take tan theta common in numerator, 6 tan theta minus 1 by 3 plus 2 tan cube theta. Tan theta gets cancelled. Cross multiply because tan theta 0 is not given, that's why I eliminated that one. 3 plus 2 tan cube theta equal to 6 tan theta minus 1. Now from this condition, take this side, this total values, 2 tan cube theta minus 6 tan theta, minus 1 becomes plus 1, that is plus 4 equal to 0. What is the common factor in this? 2 is a common factor. Take common 2 and take right side, it will become 0 only. Now what will get from this? Tan cube theta minus 3 tan theta plus 2 equal to 0. It is a clearly cubic equation. Now cubic equation means, for easy purpose, let consider tan theta is some y something, y or x, no problem. I will take x only. What will get here? X cube minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Which value of x satisfy for this? X equal to 1 na? If you take x1 means 1 cube 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 3, minus 3 into 1 minus 3, plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. Now we need to factorize this by using synthetic division. X equal to 1 is the root I consider. What is the x cube coefficient here? 1. X square is there? Not there. That's why coefficient is 0. X coefficient is minus 3 and last constant is 2. Here put always 0. Add these two, 1 plus 0, 1. Multiply this 2 and replace here. Again add this to 1. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Here we have to get remainder is 0 here, value. Here finally this is one factor and this is x square coefficient, is x coefficient and constant. Okay. Now here this equation we can write x minus 1 into x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. First factor 0 means x equal to 1. Second factor x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. For minus 2, what are the factors? This x I can write 2x minus x. X square plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. Take x common in first two terms, x plus 2 minus 1 common, x plus 2 equal to 0. Again x plus 2 is common, we will get x minus 1. Now x plus 2 0 means you will get x is equal to minus 2. X minus 1 0 means x is equal to 1. X means what again? X means tan theta. That's why replacing means tan theta is equal to minus 2 or tan theta is equal to 1. Now 1 is given or not given? They given minus 2, minus 1, 2 by 3, 2. So minus 2 is given, that is, this is the correct answer, that is option A is the correct one. Next question number 35. They given cos inverse x by 2 plus cos inverse y by 3 equal to pi by 6. Now we need to find the value of x square by 4 minus xy by 2 root 3 plus y square by 9 value we need to find out. Here this is clearly in the form of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. Formula is cos inverse of xy minus root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. Here x is x by 2, y is y by 3. Cos inverse of x by 2 into y by 3 is clearly xy by 6 minus root of 1 minus x square means x square by 4 into root of 1 minus y square by 9 is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Take this cos inverse that side, it becomes cos 30. Cos 30 how much? Root 3 by 2. xy by 6 minus root of 1 minus x square by 4 root of 1 minus y square by 9 is equal to how much you will get? Root 3 by 2. Now interchanging root 3 by 2, take this side, this value come to take right side. Xy by 6 minus root 3 by 2 equal to root of 1 minus x square by 4 into root of 1 minus y square by 9. Now squaring on both sides. This is a minus b whole square. Yes, that is x square y square by 36. B square, that means 3 by 4. Minus 2ab. 2 into xy by 6 root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. What will get? Root 3 xy by 6 you will get. 2 gets cancelled. Equal to your square root will be cancelled. 1 minus x square by 4 into 1 minus y square by 9. From this, x square into y square by 36 plus 3 by 4 minus root 3 into xy by, this I can write 2 into root 3 into root 3. 6 I am writing like this because root 3 into root 3, 3 only 3 2s are 6. Now 1 root 3 gets cancelled. Here multiply 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus y square by 9 is minus y square by 9. Again minus x square by 4 into 1 minus x square by 4 minus into minus plus x square y square by 4 9s are 36. Now these two values gets cancelled. Now finally xy terms all take one side, take number other side. Now this value becomes plus x square by 4. Next what is there? Minus xy by 2 root 3. Take minus y square by 9 this side, it becomes plus y square by 9. What is the number is there left side? 3 by 4. Take right side, already 1 is there. 1 minus 3 by 4, that is clearly 1 by 4 is the answer. That is option C is the correct answer. Next, question number 36. 36 is very easy. Cot inverse of xy plus 1 by x minus y. Cot inverse of yz plus 1 by y minus z plus cot inverse of zx plus 1 by z minus x. This one directly we don't know formula, but you can change this one into tan inverse. Cot inverse x is tan inverse of 1 by x, reverse you will get. X minus y by 1 plus xy plus tan inverse of y minus z by 1 plus yz plus tan inverse of z minus x by 1 plus zx. It's clearly which formula for this? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. That's why tan inverse x minus tan inverse y plus this is tan inverse y minus tan inverse z plus next one tan inverse z minus tan inverse x. Now all values gets cancelled. Now what is the value you will get? 0. So which option is correct? Option A is the correct one. Next, question number 37. The given equation tan inverse of x minus 1 plus tan inverse x plus tan inverse of x plus 1 equal to tan inverse 3x. Then we need to find x value. Now take this tan inverse x right side. Now what remaining here? Tan inverse of x minus 1 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 is equal to right side already tan inverse of 3x plus tan inverse x becomes minus tan inverse x. Left side we have to apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Right side tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse of x minus 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. That means 3x square. 3x minus x by 1 plus 3x into x is 3x square. Now here 1 gets cancelled. Now by comparing values later you can compare tan inverse of x plus x 2x by 1 minus a minus b into a plus, that is a square minus b square, is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x 2x by 1 plus 3x square. By comparing the values, because maximum options 0 also given one solution, so I don't cancel 2x later. By comparing this, what we get? 2x by minus of minus plus 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus x square equal to 2x by 1 plus 3x square. Cross multiply, don't cancel these values. Now from this, 2x into 1 plus 3x square equal to 2x into 2 minus x square. By taking left side complete value, 2x will be the common. What remaining? 1 plus 3x square. By taking this side, this will be sign changes. Minus 2 plus x square equal to 0. Now 2x is 0 means x is equal to 0 will get. Later you can take 2, take that side, x into 3x square plus x square, that is 4x square. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, is equal to 0. Product of two values 0 means either first value 0 or second value 0. X value 0 or 4x square minus 1 0. From this I can write x square is equal to 1 by 4. X what you can take, either plus or minus 1 by 2. So I total 3 values 0, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, that is option D is the correct one. Next one, question number 38. 2 tan inverse of root of a minus b by a plus b into tan theta by 2. But all options given in the form of cos inverse only. That's why we need to convert this one in terms of, we have formula 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This complete, this is x only. Cos inverse of 1 minus x square means total square root. What will get here? A minus b by a plus b into tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus a minus b by a plus b into tan square theta by 2. Now what is the LCM for numerator and denominator? A plus b is the LCM. That's why cos inverse of a plus b minus multiply with tan square theta by 2, it is minus a tan square theta by 2 minus of minus plus b tan square theta by 2 divided by, here a plus b will multiply, a plus b here multiply with tan square, that is a tan square theta by 2 minus b tan square theta by 2. In numerator denominator, take a separate terms and b separate terms. Cos inverse of, if you take a common in numerator, what will get? 1 minus tan square theta by 2. If you take b common, 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Similarly, denominator a common 1 plus tan square theta by 2, b common 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Now we have formula in terms of cos. Cos 2a formula is 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square theta will get. Theta means theta will get. 2a means you will get a only. When you will get theta by 2, if you take cos theta formula, 1 minus tan square theta by theta 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. That's why I will take common 1 plus tan square theta by 2 in numerator and denominator. 1 plus tan square theta by 2 is common in numerator. Here what will get? A into, here not there, that's why denominator will come. So 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2 plus remaining b by, here also take 1 plus tan square theta by 2 is common. Here what will get? A plus b into 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Now these two gets cancelled. Now from this we have formula cos theta 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. 2 theta means we get theta. Theta means theta by 2 half. Apply this formula. Finally what will get? Cos inverse of A. This is completely cos theta formula. A cos theta plus b by A plus b cos theta. Now this is a value. In which option is there this term? Option A is the correct one. Next, question number 39. They give an equation cos inverse x plus cos inverse y cos inverse z equal to pi. Next, we need to find the equation related to this given condition. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, take this right side, pi minus cos inverse z. We know already formula cos inverse x plus cos inverse y formula what? Cos inverse of xy minus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square equal to pi minus cos inverse z. Now take this cos inverse right side, it will becomes cos only. Xy minus root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square is equal to cos of pi minus cos inverse z. From this, xy minus root of 1 minus x square root of 1 minus y square. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, that is minus cos of cos inverse z. Now cos inverse cos will be gets cancelled, minus z will be the remaining. Now here xy minus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square is equal to minus z. Now you interchange minus z, take this side, this root value take right side. Xy plus z equal to root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square. Now squaring on both sides. Left side clearly in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square x square y square plus b square plus 2xyz 2ab. Here square and roots will be cancelled. 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. Here x square y square plus z square plus 2xyz equal to 1 into 1 1, 1 into minus y square minus x square into 1 minus x square minus into minus plus x square into y square. These two gets cancelled. Minus y square minus x square take left side. What will you get? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xyz equal to 1. This equation there in which option? Option D is the correct one. Question number 40. 40 also same model ma. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z equal to pi by 2. Then they are asking which value? Same, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xyz. This also will get one only my option. Same method. Taking sin inverse z right side, apply sin inverse x plus sin inverse y formula, will get answer same. Okay, it is option B is the correct one. This value we need to find out. This also same answer 1 will get. It is option B is the correct one. Next, 41. Sin inverse of 2a by 1 plus a square, sin inverse of 2b by 1 plus b square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now here we need to find x value. Okay, this clearly sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square formula, that is 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse of x is what here? A. This is 2 tan inverse of b is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Left side take 2 common and cancel out 2. Now what remain here? Tan inverse a plus tan inverse b equal to tan inverse x. Left side which formula is there? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse of a plus b by 1 minus ab is equal to tan inverse x. Now finally x value what here? A plus b by 1 minus ab. Option D is the correct one. Next, question number 42. Y equal to tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse b, comma 0 less than b less than 1, and also given 0 less than y less than or equal to pi by 4. Now the value wise we need to consider here. Tan b value we need to find out because they are asking maximum value of b. That's why this tan inverse of 1 by 2 take this side. Tan inverse b equal to y minus tan inverse of 1 by 2. When b will becomes maximum, y if we take maximum only it is possible because y is a positive minus some value is there. If we take least value of y means you will get minimum of b will get. To get maximum, y we need to get maximum. What is the maximum value of y is there here? Clearly pi by 4. That's why b is maximum when y also maximum. That's why in the place of y we need to consider pi by 4. So here tan inverse of b equal to, here we are writing pi by 4 minus tan inverse of 1 by 2. Now this pi by 4 I can change in terms of tan inverse, that is tan inverse of 1. Reason I can apply tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse of what formula? X minus y by 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Tan inverse of 1 minus 1 by 2, that is clearly 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 clearly 3 by 2. Now 2 gets cancelled. Left side is tan inverse of b, right side tan inverse of 1 by 3. By comparing the maximum value of b, that is b maximum, is clearly is equal to what? 1 by 3. Because starting only we consider to get a maximum, y is maximum we consider. That's why this is the maximum value of b, that is 1 by 3. Option B is the correct one. So next, question number 43. The value of summation r equal to 1 to 10, tan inverse of 3 by 9 r square plus 3r minus 1. Now this is the value is given. Now we need to simplify this. Summation of r equal to 1 to 10 tan inverse of 3 by, here this one we need to, this type of models we need to convert in the form of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, but we need 1 plus we required. That's why if you write this one, I am writing like this: 9r square plus 3r minus 2. Minus 1 I am writing 1 minus 2. Okay. Summation r equal to 1 to 10 tan inverse of 3 by 1 plus, this completely I am writing like this: 3r plus 2 into 3r minus 1. Multiply 9r square minus 3r plus 6r. Minus 3r plus 6r is 3r will get. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 will get. Now, in numerator, if you subtract these two factors, we need to get 3. First I am writing like this: 3r plus 2 minus of 3r minus 1. If we simplify this, we will get 3 only. By 1 plus 3r plus 2 into 3r minus 1. Now clearly it is in which form? Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. This is a formula of which one? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Summation r is equal to 1 to 10 tan inverse of 3r plus 2 minus tan inverse of 3r minus 1. Now substitute r value 1 by 1. Tan inverse of, if you substitute 1, 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, minus tan inverse of 3 minus 1, that is 2. Next substitute 2, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2, how much? 8, minus tan inverse of 6 minus 1, that is 5, plus and so on. If you substitute last 10, 3 tens are 30 plus 2, 32. Tan inverse of 32 minus 30 minus 1, that is 29. Now all the terms will cancel except this tan inverse of 32 and tan inverse of minus tan inverse of 2. Remaining preceding values will get in this, that will be gets cancelled. So what finally will get? Tan inverse of 32 minus tan inverse 2. Again which formula? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula, that is tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x into y. 32 2s are 64. From this, tan inverse of 30 by 65. We can cancel with 5. 5 6 are 5 13s are. This is which value? Tan inverse of 6 by 13. But the 6 by 13 is not given in option. This one convert into cot inverse. What will get? Cot inverse of 13 by 6. Is this option is there? Check once. Option A is the correct one, because tan inverse you can convert in terms of cot inverse. That's why option A is the correct one.